Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how we can log our WhatsApp chats. We can log individual and groups. So first of all, open your WhatsApp. Then select the chat that you want to log. So I am selecting my chat. So on top you can select chat. And in the bottom you can see chat log option. So simply click it. And here you can see log this chat with fingerprint, so click it. Now you can see this chat will not be logged on your linked devices. Okay, no problem, so click OK. Put your fingerprint or pattern bar log. So this chat is now logged. So in this way you can log your chat. So we will see that how it looks like. So in this way you cannot see your logged chats. So for this purpose you have to scroll down your chat a little bit. In this way, scroll down and you can see your logged chats on top. So simply click it if you want to open it. Then you have to give your fingerprint or log, pattern log. So in this way you can make your chat private. No one can open it without password or fingerprint. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.